Andrew, you give Katie another hug? Let me see you give Katie another hug. Oh, give her a big hug. Give her a big hug. Oh, is that a kiss? Oh. Oh. And did you love your sister? Can you give her another hug? I see you. I see you. Yeah? Where's your sister? Where's your sister? There she is. There she is. Were you guys playing? You guys playing? What are you playing? Hey, Kate. Hey, Katie. Nope. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? You found a toy? Found a toy to chew on? Hey, Andrew, you show me how you gave Katie a hug before? You show me how you gave her a hug? That was really nice of you. I see you. I see you. Alright, I'll take some pictures now.